Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a service on your FreshBooks account. So this is going to become particularly useful just so you don't have to keep on manually adding a service when you set up invoices or estimates or proposals. So this is going to be a quick and short and simple video, so make sure to follow it step by step in order to learn how to add a service to your FreshBooks account. So what we're first going to do is log onto our FreshBooks account, which is looks like right here. And then on the left hand side, you're going to scroll down to where it says items and services. So I'm not sure why items and services is located this far down, but go ahead and click on items and services. And then from here, you have two different toggles. So you have either an items toggle or a services toggle. And so this is where you're going to be able to see all these services and items that you have already on your FreshBooks account. But on the upper right hand corner, we're going to click on create a new, and then again, same thing, either click item or service. So we're actually going to click on service, and then we can give it a name here. So we can give it video editing test, and we can say this is $10, and then you can set up a tax percentage rate. We'll say 8%, and we'll say Los Angeles. Billable, automatically add the service to new project. So a lot of setup here, and it takes less than 30 seconds to do so, but we're gonna go ahead and click on save. Now that we've added this itemized service of video editing, what that's gonna look like is that now when you send estimates, so we're gonna go and scroll back up, and on the left hand side, click on estimates. Then we're gonna create a new invoice, and then we're gonna create an estimate. Now when you add a line, you're gonna actually see the service here. So it can just manually fill out everything. So this is super convenient, but that in essence is how to actually add a service to FreshBooks. If you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.